Hey everyone, this is Tanner, and I wanted to give you a sneak preview at StudyChurch, the new online interactive Bible study platform that I've been building for the past while. I'm going to start off by logging in here. Okay, now I'm taken to my profile page. So this is going to be the page that shows all of the recent activity from any small groups that you're a part of. In the bar here, you'll see those groups. You'll see any studies that you're working on, authoring. Any group assignments would show up right over here. So we can see all the activity from the one group I'm a part of here. I'm gonna drill down into that group, show you what that looks like. So here we have group-specific activity. See who's answering study questions, see what some of those answers are, see the discussion happening on those answers, see the other members and whether or not they're online. And then right here, which is really the power behind StudyChurch, is the study that's attached to this small group. I'm going to click through to that. All right, so you can see here, this is a StudyChurch study. So this is actually the study content here. You can click through to the introduction, and we're actually going to look at lesson 1 right now. So this is the first lesson in this study. We have all this content, the introduction here, and then we come down here and we see that we have our first few questions. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put an answer into here. We'll save that. And we'll refresh the page. All right, so now you can see, now that I've answered that question, my answer shows up in green, and I'm also able to see the different answers that the other members of the group have put into this question, as well as the discussion on any of those answers. And I, in turn, can also come in here and comment on an answer. And this is really what StudyChurch is all about. As it's coming through, being able to go through a study together, answer questions, and then being able to see each other's answers and start a conversation online that can be carried on into the small group meetup. So you can see the various different kinds of questions and all that. So if we head back over to our small group page, we can see that a question was answered. And if we scroll down here through our activity, we can see the comment that we made on that previous answer. The final component to this is going to be the actual study builder. So if you have a study that you want to put onto StudyChurch, whether it's a custom study or whatever, this is where that happens. So you can create new chapters. You can come in here to the lessons and specify what kind of content it is, whether it's a long form question, a short form question, or if it's just a content block or an assignment. We have a rich text editor in here so that you can make things bold and italicized and all of that. So that about wraps it up. So that's StudyChurch. I'd love to have you join the mailing list. If you go to StudyChurch online, it's studychur.ch. Join the mailing list. Beta will be opening shortly, hopefully in the next week or two. So join that list to get information on early beta access. Thanks, everyone.